What's up, everybody? Land Enclosure here. I wanted to give you a toolbox tour, so let's get right to it. Okay, so first off, I've just got my regular Master Mechanics ratchet. I've got some grease in the bottom. I've got my Master Mechanics drill. And these are just spare parts of all kinds of crap. And then I've got my WD-40, my zip ties, pencil, scissors, and that little thing, all my sockets and extra ratchets and all that stuff. My first drawer, I got just some regular. Hang on, let me turn the light on. Okay, I got two adjustable wrenches, one small, one big. And then some, whatever these are called. Next, I've just got some picks and Allen keys and a long extension. Here I've just got a whole bunch of ratchets and all that stuff, and the box opener. Nothing in there. Just a bunch of wrenches in here, mixed wrenches. I've got some screwdrivers and all kinds of screwdrivers in there. Okay, in here I've got all of my pliers and needle nose pliers and long pliers, pipe pliers, and here I've got my hammer. And here I've just got all my drill bits and stuff. And here I got 2 tape measures. We got another nice Stanley adjustable wrench. Let me get this open. Let me get this up in 1 second. And here I've got some big old things of tape and just some other stuff. And then I've got some extra Techron complete fuel system, and I've got some 3M yellow super trim and adhesive. And then I've got just one of these lantern things, and then I've got an extra pull starter for a lawnmower and a lawnmower spark plug. And I just changed my sister's truck and put a bunch of new spark plugs in there. Then I've got my lawnmower that I mow people's lawns with. And then I've got that big old light over there. And there's my weed eater. And all the gas and stuff for it. And then I've got those filled with tools too. Well, that is my toolbox. Oh, here's all my dad's tools and Snap-on and all of his Snap-on tools filled with over there. Well, that's my dad's tools and all my tools. See ya. Please subscribe, give me a like, and I'll be looking forward to making more videos. See ya.